Everybody, how we doing today? Let's jump straight into the video. So what I want to talk about today is a new feature that eBay has on their mobile app that I think can be beneficial to you, and it's just going to save you a lot of time and hopefully make you some extra money. And also I'm going to be looking up some items for you on my phone as well. We're just going to walk through this and show you like how I would use this. And if you want to find this, go to your seller app and go down to the bottom right, click on Selling, scroll all the way down, and it should be right in front of your draft. And I'm gonna be walking you through this. I'll probably put either the screenshot up, the screen sharing up on the whole screen, or just put it somewhere to the side over here. But anyway, this I think was currently known as Terapeak, but they changed the name to Product Research. And we're just going to go through some items that I picked up recently. So one of these are these Adidas Copa cleats that I picked up from you know where. And if you don't know where I picked these up, that means you ain't watching my videos. So make sure you go check my last video. It'll show you where to pick these up. So we just click right there on that button on the left where it says Research, and I'm going to type in Adidas IF 5443. These were $30. And it's saying right here, as you can see, the average sold price is $96.27, which is excellent. Good profit on those, and the sell-through rate is 32%. You can see up there to the top left, it has different time frames. So that's 90 days. If we switch it to 60 days, it's still about the same. If we switch it to 30 days, it's 96.50. So they're all about the same, and the average sell-through rate is about $30.61. So this I think is going to save a lot of us a lot of time, especially when we're pretty familiar with the items that we are picking up. So I would definitely pick up this item. And the thing about it is, the way I source may not be the way that you source, so use your own judgment, but this can definitely be beneficial. Next is a pre-owned shoe. Now this brand right here is called Sorel. Most of you know it. Some of you are thrifters, some of you not. But as you know, thrifting is a huge part of my business. So we're going to look this up. And another tip for you, some shoes are kind of hard to look up. So if you're not, go ahead and make sure you are using Google Lens. So I simply just took a picture of this boot and put it to Google Lens, and it gave me the name. I think the name is Evie. So we're just going to type that in up at the top. I'm going to type in Sorel, E-V-I-E. I think is how you say it. No, it's not. Okay, E-V-I-E. And it is coming up, the average sold price for $44.29 in 90 days. But since these are used, we want to see if we can change that. And also you can go to fixed price, best offer. And on these, for some reason, I'm not seeing a used condition, but it looks pretty much like most of these are used. I'm not sure why you can't see it right now on this one, but we'll check it on something else. Let's go to boots right here. Yeah. So when I went to boots, I could change the condition. We're going to go to pre-owned, of course. And so right there, and you can see it on the screen as well, the pre-owned price that these are selling for in the last 90 days is $35.35. So, and the sell-through rate on these are 28%. So some people say that, you know, they want everything to be a high sell-through rate. You know, of course we will want items that are 100% sell-through rate, but you know, a lot of times I don't go based on that. I would go based on the condition of these boots, the price of these boots, and the profit I could make on these boots. So say I went to a yard sale, these boots are $5. Of course, no brainer for me. I feel like a lot of times if you have an established eBay store, you take good photos, you have good titles, you use good descriptions, and you price your items accordingly and you got good feedback, you ain't gonna have no problem selling this, especially if you cross list on a lot of platforms. So $5 to $10 for these I would pick up all day, especially in this condition. So next, let's look up these. So these kind of shocked me. These are some Nike Free 5.0, and they almost to me look like a women's shoe, but these are men's actually. I mean, the colorway on these look like women's. So let's look these up real quick and see if these would be a pickup or not. So I got it wrote down right here, Nike, and it's going to put the SKU number HQ 5707-003. And check this out on these. The average sold price, that's probably in all conditions, is $62.27 with a 40% sell through. So let's click on this. Let's go to men's athletic shoes. Now we can change the condition to pre-owned, and these are selling for $36.66 with a sell-through rate of 66%. So these fooled me. I would have never imagined these had that good a sell-through. And what I like about this is it just shows us all the information that we need super quick, super quick. So I'm definitely enjoying it. I'm not going to be typing it in the browser probably and going through comps and looking at solds and all that, because most of this stuff I'm pretty familiar with. Let me show another one real quick. And I think I made a reel or a short about this, maybe even a video, but I found this vintage made in USA Carhartt, see if I can show you, blanket lined jacket the other day at Goodwill. And you know, they had it priced up, probably priced at, I think it was priced at $20. And sometimes don't be afraid to, you know, pay up for stuff if it's worth it. So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna type in the SKU number. Let's see. And it is, let me see, C59-DST. And check that out. The average sold cost, the average sold price is $83.13 with a sell-through rate of 25%. So a lot of people may say, you know, 25% sell-through rate, that's not that good. Look, on something that's $20 and is selling around $80, I'll take that all day, and I'll go and trust that my pictures are good enough, my title's good enough, I'm cross-listing and doing everything I need to do. But you choose what, you know, average sell-through rate you want to go with. You choose what items you want to pick up. But for me personally, I enjoy this because I'm pretty familiar with everything I'm picking up. I just wanted to show you how to use this feature. I hope it saves you time. I hope it makes you more money. And if you enjoy videos like this, you know, please do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button for me. That way I know to make more. And if you enjoy the channel and you're not already subscribed, make sure you turn that bell notification on, everybody. Take care. Happy sourcing. God bless. And we will catch you on the next video.